All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you forgot your belt buckle.
Oh. I would have been so sad. Thanks.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Morning, how are you today?
Pretty good, you?
Good, thanks.
Everything is for sale.
Cool.
Saw
Except for
horses,
things that are marked sold.
Gotcha.
shelves.
We have some furniture and stuff inside.
Okay. You guys moving away?
Yep.
I don't blame you.
Now next weekend.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Moving to an RV.
Oh, nice.
So, can't take it with us.
Getting out of the cold.
Yep.
That's my plan.
American Heroes.
Awesome.
Everything on the workbench. All that stuff's for sale.
Okay.
Hey babe, you might want to take those toolboxes and put them out too. So people can see. They are brand new, still in the original foam.
Man, these are old, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
That's awesome.
Probably 1960.
Yeah, that's what I would guess.
Yeah, they were like brand new. Did you ever even use those walkie-talkies?
Yeah. Those things are
I said, were they 1960s?
early 60s.
Good morning.
There's stuff in the house. Everything's everything's got to go. Shelves, everything. $1.
How much on your axes?
Huh?
How much on your axes up here?
How much the machete?
$2 each. $1.
Pretty cool.
Huh? I said those were $2 each?
Yeah.
$2 each.
Okay, if I set a little pile down here.
Sure.
quarter.
Oh, yeah. There's a fishing stuff in there.
You bring the net, metal bucket.
I think those are wrapped there still.
I'm always interested. Huh? Not interested.
How much the little thing?
$1, cause that was a brand new one.
How much you said that this?
$1 a piece.
The stuff inside, is it mainly just like bigger furniture?
It's, there's some smaller furniture and some pots and pans and stuff. So that's more my domain.
Is that in the way right there?
You're the tool
Okay.
guy.
That you feel.
Kit inside is free.
What's that?
So the kit on the couch is free. So we have the stuff on this counter, a little bit here, but all the furniture in here,
Okay.
with the exception of the fireplace and the TV, is for sale.
Gotcha. Okay.
So the pillows, all this stuff is for sale.
Okay.
Including the lamp that's lit.
Oh, okay. All right, I think I'm good. Thank you so much.
No, that wasn't me.
You want to add me up?
About 25.
25. That'll work. It's 20. 5. Awesome. Thank you so much. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Do you need a box or something to put that in?
Do you have something
I
handy?
have a
That'd be
little
awesome.
box, yeah.
Well, a couple bucks.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The squares?
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Oh, you forgot your belt buckle.
Oh. I would have been so sad. Thanks. All right, guys, we are back from another pretty decent garage sale. It's a little windy out here, but it's beautiful. If you can see the sky. So we're just gonna have to make do, I guess. But anyway, pretty good garage sale. As I was walking up, I realized I had been there before. If you remember, about a month or two ago, it was a retired firefighter. I bought his helmet and all that stuff. So I was kind of nervous when I walked up and realized that I'd already been there, but it kind of turned out that they were moving into an RV. So this was like the final phase of just getting rid of everything. So it was different stuff this time, and found some pretty cool stuff. So real quick, let me show you what I picked up to resell. So I think we were 25 bucks all in. A couple little no big deal things, you know, like always, but it all just kind of works into one price, and you know, it's kind of how I do the math. But I grabbed a couple little old reader copies of some vintage comic books. There's Casper the Friendly Ghost number 129 and Archie's Christmas Lovin'. So those are always just fun to put in the booth for a couple bucks a piece. A couple little holsters here. There's an Uncle Mike size 12 and a Black Hawk size 4. No big deal on these either, probably 10 bucks or so for the pair. Grab this little transistor radio. It's not vintage, just more like retro. Clean battery compartment, clean all the way around. Believe it or not, these little novelties can sell for like 15-20 bucks even used. So that was definitely a decent little find, because I'm sure I didn't really pay much for it. This I thought was pretty cool. It's a brass fire helmet coat hanger. Believe it or not, this will probably pay for the entire lot right here. I've seen these sell for between 25 and 35 bucks. So definitely a good little find right there. And then we have an American Heroes Boston Fire Department belt buckle. Of course, I was going to pick this up. It's definitely a cool look to it. I don't necessarily think it's as vintage as it looks, but I'm sure someone's going to want that just because it's too cool. Then we grabbed a little Harley Zippo knockoff lighter and a couple old padlocks with this keychain. I always like to pick up this kind of stuff just for junk drawer lots. Nothing special on its own. Sometimes vintage padlocks can do pretty well, so it's always good to look them up on their own, but I'm always looking for stuff for like vintage junk drawer lots. So that's what we got there. Grab this cool set of Spartan walkie-talkies. I believe these are from the 1960s. They're made in Japan. I don't think these have a ton of value, but the box alone was enough for me. Just like the graphics are so cool, really neat sitting on someone's shelf. Then we kind of took a shot on these respirators. They're not the full face versions or anything, so they're not huge money, but there's 2 sets of unopened filters in this box. Maybe I can sell everything locally or something for 20 or 25 bucks. I don't really know. Maybe I'll be better off like selling the filters online. I don't know, maybe repurposing these for some kind of cool Halloween costume or something. I mean, the possibilities are endless with that kind of stuff. We'll see what happens. The absolute coolest finds were these old fireman's axes right here. Fireman's axes can be worth a lot of money. I'll have to do a little research as far as the makers and the nuances and everything goes. But like even unbranded fireman's axes like this can sell for pretty decent money. So when he said 2 bucks a piece, I was all over that one. This one just has a really cool look. The cool red paint, a little weathered, but definitely intact. And this one has the cool cover on it. This one's made by Atlas. Let me pull it out real quick. And there's what that one looks like right there. Gotta do a little more research on these, but I was definitely happy to pick them up for 2 bucks a piece. Very cool. Alright guys, that is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.